Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Duolingo app icon on iPhone using the Shortcuts app. First of all, open the Shortcuts app on your phone. Then tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Here, search for Open App or just tap on it if you see it right away. After that, tap on App beside the Open. Then select Duolingo from the list of apps. Next, tap on the Share button at the bottom. Then select Add to Home Screen from the given options. Here, you can tap the icon image and choose any photo or design you want for your custom Duolingo app icon. You can even pick a picture from your gallery or download a new image online. After that, give it a name if you like, then tap on Add at the top right corner. Now, when you go to your home screen, you will see your new custom Duolingo app. Tapping it will open the app just like before. This way, you can personalize your home screen while keeping the functionality intact. And that's all. That's how you can change your Duolingo icon using the Shortcuts app in your iPhone.